What's going on out there, my automation nation? So today's scenario is if you have a lead that you're signing up for a trial, right, or even a client, and they have different equipment choices that would determine what program they get. So I have a client's Zapier account open right now, and so what's happening is they have somebody that they're coming from a bot, and on the bot we basically ask them, like, do they have access to a pull-up bar and dumbbells? Do they have access to bands? Or do they have access to a full gym? Those are the three choices of the programs we have designed. They click that button, and then that data comes through. You could also do the same thing in a form with a checkbox, right? So they'll answer which kind of equipment they have. And then what happens is, what we're going to do is they're going to come in through my bot, right? And then I create a contact into our CRM. We love ActiveCampaign. But what I want to show you, what's critical is at the end now, you want to use something called a path. So you would do the, you do the add step and you choose a path. It will only let you choose a path if it is the last step in the current Zap. You can't have things already underneath it and try and put a path in the middle, just so you know that, right? And so what it does is it starts off with choice A and choice B, and you can add up to a choice C, right? And so what you'll do is you'll do bands. So if they have bands, what will happen is I'll set up the rules and testing equipment access field, right? That I got this in BotStar. So we go to here, it says equipment access, so I would choose that field, and then I'm going to write text exactly matches, and then we have the field being populated with bands if they use bands, right? So if when they hit the button on the bot, they put bands, they're going to go down this path, right? Then what that's going to let them do is they're going to create a client in Trainerize, and what you'll see that we do here is we're going to go down here, and we're going to choose the program. I'm going to choose the no pain muscle gain with bands. I know that's the program that they need to get. So just following the logic through, obviously when we have the full gym scenario, what are we going to do? We're going to set up the rules and testing. We're going to say that equipment access field that is filled out during the bot is now going to exactly match, and then we have it being populated with full gym if they click that button, right? So you can do this for 3 choices standard through paths. Here's a little extra credit. You can actually do unlimited. I wouldn't do tons and tons of them, it'd be a lot, but you can do more. And the way that you would do that is when you go to choice C, you would put something like this. You would say, in the rules setup and testing, you'd say customer equipment access, and you'd say, text exactly matches dumbbell and pull-up bar. What if I had one that was like, they had gymnastics rings? I could do or custom field, right? So I'm going to say the equipment access field now equals, and then I'd write rings, right? And so I would do all the other choices that I couldn't fit into A and B, and then you can nest paths. So what you would do is after this path, you'd actually put another path. So you'd put another path down here. And now that one, say you had 3 choices that came through here, now you'd split those 3 up so that each person would get the program in Trainerize. It's a little bonus extra credit for you. If you didn't get that last part, no problem. The main deal was to introduce you to Pass, a very powerful tool. Couldn't imagine automating things without it.